What in the heck is going on in here? James, why won't you let him play the gosh dang game? I'm downstairs trying to take a nap.
Because I'm afraid he'll break it. What the heck?
Boy, didn't I tell you to share your dang things? Now give him the controller before I put my foot up your tail.
Sheesh.
There you go, Junior. Now, one time only. If I ever hear you talking to him like that, I will ground you from that PX box for a month. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
What I thought. Boy, don't know how to listen or how to say it. I swear, one of these days, these punks gonna end up on the streets. I can tell you that much.
Oh yeah, crank and ring so good, baby. Oh.
Hey, give me that. Okay.
Man, you're the stupidest bitch in the world.
Ooh, Charlie.
I came as soon as I heard parents assemble.
And then I have this and start it.
Assemble! If you don't ever talk to me like that ever again, I swear to you, everything is going in the trash. Do you understand? All of us. Is that understood?
Okay, that was good.
Now, if you ever, and I mean ever, talk to your brother like that ever again, we will get grandpa on you. Do you understand? Good. Hey guys, like everybody say it with me.
Yeah.
Hey guys! Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Listen, no one ever got beat in this video. That's actually water on his face.
Yeah.
Executive producer.
Yeah, that's our second producer. And we got Jair Ultra Gamer, link in bio. Link in bio. And we got Ty, we got Jamai.
Reset.
We got everybody on set, including Pops, of course. And you know, thank you guys so much. We're on the road to 300. Everybody cheer with me on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah!
Alright, now last one. 300 on 3. 1, 2, 3.
300!
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. We're out. Everything. This is supposed to go back to my dad's car. What in the heck is going on in here? Junior, why are you crying? Why? Why would God?
What the heck, Dad?
Boy, didn't I tell you to share your things? Now give him the dang controller before I put my foot so far up your tail. There you go, James. I mean, Junior! Holy crap!
You
I
messed it up.
forget their names.